All right, so I got the solar set up here. I hooked everything up and I made a really happy discovery. So as you can see, I got 14.2 to 14.4 volts on there. That means for the first time this year, I can run two systems, but only while the sun's up. I have two batteries. I have a Microsoft Surface, and then over here I have an E Series i7, and I'm just blown away. I'm just freaking blown away that I can get two laptops running off all this stuff and not lose charge off the batteries. I'm kind of proud about that, I gotta say. Not so bad. So over on this solar panel, I got the World Community Grid running on a Fire 8th 10th generation. I got it hooked up to a external battery. So it goes solar panel, battery, and then unit. The battery's within that tin down there. It was another one of these units, TYLT. It's one of the only ones I ever found that you can you can charge and you can run at the same time, which is remarkable. Now over here, since the Dreamlab stopped working, I'm trying a Veris miner and seeing how I can do on this unit. Okay, looks like I'm doing pretty good so far. I got 299 calculations out of 302 accepted. I should probably get a better wallet than this unit, because if I leave this thing out here and if this unit dies, my wallet's gone, right? Man, it'd be real nice if I could get some money back for some of the solar stuff, but we gotta wait and see, right? People getting high, people getting low. People going nowhere because they don't know where to go. I love these woods solar panels. They're nice for USB, but they're not good if you want to hook it up and do like a car battery. They have a 15 volt output. What the frick uses 15 volts? Skelly Beans the Lich here says that there are many laptops that use 15 volts, but I haven't found one. It's a really strange type of barrel plug too, like nothing I've ever seen before. Oh well. I probably should be moving some of these panels, but at a certain type of day, certain time of day, they do get a lot of sun. Oh, wherever you are, whoever you are, I hope you're okay today. It's a beautiful day.